Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you a healthy grocery haul. Ever since I bought the Ninja, I've been obsessed with it, and you guys already know because I've shared 15 consecutive videos. Everything will be down in the description, but today we're gonna put a pause in it and we're gonna transition little by little on more healthier meal preps and back into our routine. So I'm gonna share with you everything I bought at Costco and also at Sprouts. Most of the food, it's plant-based food. Probably 20% of it, it's animal product. We are not vegan, but little by little, I am trying to incorporate a bigger percentage of food that it's more plant-based to my entire family. And I know that if I cook it and if it's there, it's easier for them to eat it. And that's one of the reasons why I'm loving meal prep. Let me show you what I got. We're gonna go through Sprouts first, and then I'm gonna take you to the items I bought at Costco. So I got some bean soup mix, which now that I see it, I'll probably be able to make it ourselves. But this was more convenient for the fact that everything is already combined and I don't have to buy separately, like on the beans and stuff like that. So I just got this bag, which it was only $2.01. Then we got some, they call this one hot cereal, European hot cereal, which it was $2.01, but it's more of a combination with oatmeal and almonds and raisins, chocolates. Again, you can make this yourself as well, but you're also saving your money because you're not buying everything that has in it separately. And this was also $2.01. We got some almond granola, which this one, it's our favorite. I had to got 2 bags because right now after COVID, they stopped selling items where you were able to get it yourself. So they sell them separately, and I had to get 2 bags. So this were $1.44 a pound, and since I got 2, I paid $4.31. And then we got some couscous, which it was $1.93. We also got some lentils, red lentils, which they were $4.03. I also got some quinoa, which was $3.99. Shredded coconut, $3.49, which no one loves coconut other than myself. I got 2 bags of sweet banana chips, which this is going to be more of a substitute for whenever we're craving something sweet, because these ones are so delicious and I love to use them on my acai bowls or smoothie bowls. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I'm obsessed with acai bowls, and currently I started getting more of a smoothie instead of acai, or just omit the acai in general, but it still has a consistency of acai, with the difference that it's more sweeter. And then we also got some white sesame seeds. And what I'm gonna do with the sesame seeds, I've been trying to purchase tahini, but if you know what tahini, it's more of like a paste. It's super expensive, so I figure that I'll probably be able to make it myself, and that's why I got this bag. And this was only $3.31. The plantains were $3.66 for both of them. And then I also got a bag of raw almonds, and those were $4.91. Now we're gonna go with the produce items, and we got some bananas, which it was $3.15. We also got some Granny Smith apples, which it was $4.41. I also got, actually this bag was purchased at Costco. Probably place them in the wrong area, but that was at Costco, and I'll put up here the amount that I paid for those. We also got a bag of carrots, 5 pound of carrots, and it was only for $3.99, and they are organic, so they were on sale. And then I also got a bag of red potatoes. We also had to get some russet potatoes, and for 5 pounds, it was only $2.49. I got quite broccoli because I love broccoli. Everyone loves broccoli in the house. And I feel that broccoli, it's super delicious. Even on salads and raw, it's just super yummy. And this was only $4.47. We also got some pears. The pears were a little bit more expensive. I paid $5.79. They were small, but my kids have been getting fruits and that's why you don't see a lot. Also with the apples, they got some apples as well, and you can already tell that my family eats a lot of fruits and vegetables. But for the apples, I got one and a half pound of lady pink apples, and it was only for $2.22. So again, they were on sale. We got 2 packets of 2 pounds of strawberries, and each packet was $2.50. So I paid $5 for 2 of these. Again, my kids have been eating them like crazy, and they've already washed the other ones. We also got 2 whole pineapples, and these were 2 for $4, so $2 each. We also got some cantaloupes. Again, these were 2 for $5. I got 2 big bunches of celery. The celeries were 99 cents, so I paid $1.98 for both. We also got some Roma tomatoes, and I paid $1.72 for this. It was 1.5 pounds of it. And that was it from Sprouts. Now from Costco, I also did added a few items that they weren't food related. But I still want to share because I've been obsessed with organization and everything on my fridge, and I purchased a few organization bins from Lowe's and also at the dollar store, but I found this that has 4 pieces and it was only $19.99 at Costco. In case you are on a lookout for any organization for your fridge, they have this at Costco for $19.99. I also got some romaine lettuce. The whole packet was only $3.49. I did got some Activia yogurts because my son, usually the one that goes to college, he needs to take some snacks and he's always craving yogurt. So I feel that this was, they were really good and they were on sale. They were only $8.99. I also got some biscuits, the almond butter, and they are so delicious. And again, they are on the more healthier side. They were only $12.69, but with a discount of $3.50. Then another snack that I got were the gummies, and this were only $9.79. We got a bag of lemons for $4.99, and they were actually cheaper at Costco because they had a little tiny bag with around 6 lemons and another one with limes, but they were probably like almost $1. So when we saw them at Costco, I was like, okay, we're taking them. So yeah, the lemons were only $4.99 a bag. We love mangoes, and my son's super excited that mango is on the season. You can already see that he grabbed one already. But the mangoes were $4.39 per box, and there is 6 on a box. We eat a lot of eggs, and even though one of my kids and I are going more plant-based, the rest of my family still eats a lot of eggs, and that's why I still have to get some more of animal product. But you can see that most of the items in here are more of plant-based, probably 80%. Now let me show you guys the meats. For the meats, I've already put them on the freezer since we are in Arizona and I didn't want them to go bad. But I got a packet of beef stew for only $20.35. And then I usually always get the Tyson chicken breast. It's 80% of the time I always get this one, and this was only $17.99. I also want to share with you this purchase that I did with some mint and also basil. This is the second time I bought myself a plant of mint, so I'm hoping that this time will not go bad. You can already see that some of them are dying, and I'm a really bad person when it comes to plants, so I'm just hoping that this one will last me a little bit longer. I'll probably just gonna have to switch them from bigger containers. But yeah, I got this too at Sprouts for $2.99 each plant. So I'm just hoping that they do last me a little bit longer. I do love mint a lot in my drinks when I'm getting any infused water, and basil, it's just really delicious in all the pastas. And even though I am not making a lot of pasta because My husband doesn't like pasta. I really, really love basil. I hope you guys enjoy this haul. Between Sprouts and Costco, I spent around $208, and that is including the 2 plants and also the organization bins that I got for the fridge. Taking that out, it will be less. I will put it still up here where you can see how much I purchased. I spent on everything. At Costco, it was $118 with 16 cents, and at Sprouts, it was $90.04. So you can see that it was pretty inexpensive if you wouldn't count any of the items that we purchased at Costco. Everything else that it was plant-based except mangoes, lemons, and the romaine lettuce, everything else was purchased at Sprouts. Hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not part of the family. And don't think that I forgot about recipes in the Ninja, because I will be sharing more recipes in the Ninja, a little bit more on the healthier side. Probably once in a while, we'll still be sharing more sweet items in there. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this haul, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share the video if you enjoyed it, and also turn on your bell notification so you won't miss any more of the videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.